Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by today's title, we're going to be reacting to the Bridgerton season 1 finale. So season 1 episode 8. The title of this episode is After the Rain. I'm interested to see how this episode goes. Last episode was very sad. Not the most, joyful watch that we've had. And yeah, just a lot of stuff was going wrong. I kind of just want to jump into this because I want to find out what's gone on with everyone. If you are enjoying these reactions, make sure to head over to the Patreon where you can find my full unedited reactions over there before you see them here on YouTube. And yeah, big thank you to everyone already over there and supporting me. It's the best way to do so. But yeah, let's jump into Bridgerton, guys. I'm very anxious, I'm not gonna lie to you lot. I'm just nervous.
One can never know the truth of a marriage hiding behind closed doors.
Oh my god, what?
Will there be hardship? Or indignity?
Oh my. I feel bad for the Queen, and I feel bad for the King, to be honest.
Will one's future see the rarest accomplishment of all? A true love match.
I want to know what happened to her husband.
You are permitted to smile, Your Graces.
They're not really in a smiley mood, it seems.
Once this portrait business is settled, I shall quit London. Tonight, perhaps.
And draw new whispers about the state of our marriage.
I wouldn't be talking about this whilst this is happening.
The very picture of devotion.
Well, they do love each other, they're just at odds. But they say love is very close to hate, right?
You should be careful, Benedict. Madame Delacroix may not be who you think she is, and consorting with her...
You think just because Madame Delacroix has a paid occupation, or because she does not reside within the bounds of Grosvenor Square, she's different? Is that it?
No. She don't think that. She just thinks she's Lady Whistledown.
Penelope, I assure you, I am well. That tea has accomplished what I needed it to.
Has it done that then?
But I am sorry for everything I've done and
Did
said.
she get a period then? She got a period now? Did something actually happen to show her that she isn't pregnant?
I am certain one day he will see it.
Aww. That was kind of cute. Is it him?
Are you quite well?
Is that George? Oh my god, if she's just done something to stop the pregnancy and he's actually shown up. Oh no.
The Duke is choosing to nurture some grudge against his father instead of allowing himself any kind of happiness. However am I supposed to forgive that?
But it seems a carriage has arrived back at the house. And Mr. Crane is there.
It is not George, but his brother, Sir Philip.
Oh. Oh, he's died.
My brother George died on the battlefield several weeks ago.
That's sad.
He was writing to me to tell me he loved me, to tell me we could run away together and marry and have our child. He loved me.
Yeah.
All this time, he loved me.
Oh, fuck. I feel so bad for her. He was a good man.
would make me look quite in fashion. The eyes of the Featheringtons, I rather think. Unfortunate young ladies.
She's gonna try and get it out of her.
Something flattering about them.
Perhaps she will.
What makes you say that?
Because she knows what is good for her business.
Is Benedict gonna figure it out as well?
I know why you are here, Miss Eloise.
You're
very smart, and you care very much. I have no intention of compromising anyone.
Is it her then? Is that like actual like solid, you know, it is her done, dusted vibe?
What did your father do?
She wants to understand.
In the first place.
We do not need to have this conversation. I am doing this for your own good.
I can decide for myself.
You'll be better off without me.
Oh my god. No! No, she won't though. She won't. I think she's going to ask Lady Danbury. Or she's going to find the letters. Or maybe both. And then she's going to realise how horrible he was.
I cannot fight forever. Our circumstances solely dependent on how well I can pander and grovel to the likes.
What was I saying? Yeah, I just feel like just everything, I've said this in the last episode, I feel like he does want kids. I really do. And I understand not everybody wants to have children. But I think he does.
My money's on the beast.
With Mondrich heavily favoured.
There's only one reason a flash-cold lord would come to us for such a bet.
You can take the deed to my house.
Oh my god.
It's yours.
Oh my god. Will. Was that his name?
Ladies and gentlemen.
I think he knows something's up. That look, he saw it.
Seems my business here is not quite finished.
What
I
now?
would very much like to speak to Miss Thompson. I have a question for her.
What?
Marry you.
Sir Philip inherited the Crane title. He has a perfectly adequate estate to support you.
I do not love this man. I cannot marry this man.
I get it, but you might grow too.
But he would have wanted you to be looked after.
Yeah.
He would have wanted you to be supported. Allow me to realise my late brother's wishes.
I think he seems genuine to...
But I believe you should now take your leave.
Is she still pregnant though? Is that why she's saying no? Because she doesn't... Guys, I'm so confused. She's gonna flip.
That was a perfectly acceptable proposal.
I am no longer with child, Lady Featherington, so it is neither necessary nor acceptable.
Do you know it for sure though? That you're not... Oh my god, she's rifling. If he catches you doing this, girl, it's gonna be bad. Make sure you put everything back. He's gonna be so mad at her. Has he opened them before? Because he was reading them, right? I feel bad. that she's kind of violating his privacy, you know. What is going on? Is Sienna trying to make him jealous? God, his eye contact's making me a bit uncomfortable. What? What if she gets fucking pregnant? That'd be a bad thing, wouldn't it? Anthony? Oh my. Oh my god. Is he pulled his arm? Or is he faking it? Do they know that he's... I feel like they all know, right? That he's like done it on purpose, somehow.
Did you know about these letters?
I did. And now apparently so do you.
What kind of father?
One that not only expected, but demanded perfection in his son.
He was a monster, honestly.
I merely showed him what he was capable of all along.
I love Lady Danbury.
If he needed some encouragement.
She's a queen.
At the end of the day, the Duke's triumph was his and his alone.
Now put those back where you got them. Because he's going to fucking kick off otherwise.
If you needed another investor or more money, Will, you could have come to me.
Appreciate the offer, friend, but I do not need your charity. Whatever could be more honorable besides taking care of one's family?
Is that what you hope to tell Alice?
Worry about your own. Period. Simon.
You're angry, but not with
sort
me.
your shit out.
So
with
take
yourself.
It somewhere else.
Yeah, give him some home truths, man. He needs it. Listen, look, I respect Will, isn't it? Honestly.
What is this? More importantly, how did you get it?
I had an inside tip.
What kind of tip?
So is he actually paid him off then? I have a feeling something's gonna go wrong.
I thought you enjoyed breakfast in the morning room.
I wish for different scenery today.
Is that an issue? He's gonna be pissed again when he finds out you've read them. Oh, they got a small table. That's good. I don't think this is the same room anyway. Actually, so they probably still do have that table.
Going to Bridgerton House this morning.
Okay.
Dear Francesca's returned from Bath.
Who is Francesca?
Would you care to join me?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, I shall join you.
Oh, he's gonna be so pissed off when he finds out about the letters, because he's gonna. He's gonna. Of course.
Francesca.
There's another one.
To see you. And you, Your Grace.
Oh yeah, because they said she'd had 8 children, right, in previously. Violet said that... No, who said? Penelope said that Violet had bared 8 children.
Do what you did with Evelyn. Do you understand, Eloise?
Oh, you were visiting my new acquaintance, Madame Delacroix.
She's not your...
I was wrong about her, brother. She's wonderful. You've
Oh god, they're so fucking gossipy.
I have a friendship with Genevieve Delacroix.
What is that face, Eloise?
Good for you, brother. You deserve contentment. We all do.
Oh
If
my
the lady
god.
contributes to that, then I'm happy for you.
He's fucking changed his tune, hasn't he? Is it because he wants Sienna back? Oh god, guys. Okay, Colin. The catch and toast. Hi, Queen. Oh. Can someone notice that she likes him? Oh, is she gonna tell?
Is Madame Delacroix.
Don't tell her.
Madame Delacroix is her. The modiste and whistledown are one and the same. And she is going to print something in your family's favour.
You know, have a duchess for a sister. That makes achieving the life you wish for all the more easier. The status of my family, however, is an entirely different story.
Might I have an extra one? Your horses are the prettiest.
Hyacinth, I do believe the Duke is...
Would a pony do?
What is he? Is he doing some origami? How has he done
You do
that?
realise it is only made of paper.
Right? He's cute, man. He'd be good with kids.
Mine will have to be taken in, of course.
Mine's perfect. And mine is yellow.
Is he, young ladies?
I don't think Penelope's liking the yellow anymore. Why do we keep putting her in yellow? What colour does Pen want to be dressed in? I love that dress. What? Are you okay?
I believe I need a doctor.
Oh.
The final ball of any season
Oh
is...
my god. What are we gonna do? She might have to accept his proposal if she's still pregnant. He seemed like a nice man, guys. Like, I know she said she don't love him. Obviously, that might have just been... Well, it'll be true, but also, like, an excuse because she's no longer with child, or so she thought. But... he seemed nice, right? And she might have ended up falling in love with him over time. I don't know.
Truly believed a tea would rectify the situation, madam.
Yeah, I
As if
was
that
confused.
ever works.
Oh.
For who knows
She's
when and where
beautiful.
one's fortunes may change.
He was completely just...
This is an interesting position to be led in. These two seem to be back together. Is it gonna stay like this though?
Well, I believe there is a bull somewhere requiring your presence.
Indeed.
The last one, yeah?
Yeah, so it's the last... This is the last ball. Oh my. I hope it ends on a happy note, guys.
Mr. Granville did seem to admit the grey hair or two I've surely gained from the emotions of the past few weeks.
Her hair looks beautiful.
Wrinkles too.
Oh, you wound me.
They seem to be a bit like their old selves again.
Age in 3 dances, would you say?
2.
It is our ball, Your Grace. I do fear 2 dances may leave our guests terribly unexcited.
Okay.
2 dances at most.
I like the banter! Oh, please. Don't get serious now. Do they just have the picture right there? That's crazy. Knowing me, I'd end up knocking it over on accident. And I'd be out the door. Straight away. Hey, Eloise. Looking beautiful, girly. Oh my god.
If you wish to go up to the library for the rest of the evening, I shall not say a word. Nor shall I blame you.
Yeah. Oh.
I suppose I should thank you for being so perfect, so I do not have to be.
Why do I feel sad? I feel bad for her. What?
We hear your husband secured himself a win the other day. Where is he? Still out celebrating?
What is he doing? Oh no.
Featherington.
Oh
Join us.
no. What is happening? Is he at the is he like, he's at that place where they were painting and stuff, weren't he? Isn't he? Colin, you better friggin' dance with Penelope, I swear to God, sir. Ah! Guys, if I'm to cry at anything, it'll be these two.
I owe you an apology. I did not see it at first, but I know you were only trying to prevent me from heartache with Miss Thompson, and...
Yeah.
One finds oneself in such an incredible position and, well, one should declare it.
Take your own advice, girl. No, then say it.
Colin, I wish to tell you something.
I have something I wish to tell you as well.
Oh no. Is he going away?
I'm leaving.
Yeah.
First thing tomorrow morning, I begin my tour. I'm to start in the Mediterranean. What was it you wished to say?
I don't remember.
Should we dance?
No.
Guys, I'm fucking sick of this. Can you not see she's sad? Bro, go after her. Go after her.
I imagine she must be coming close to unmasking the author's identity, especially now she has engaged such esteemed counsel.
You have no idea. We shall unmask her this very night. We worked out that Whistledown delivers her missives to a printer's press on Lombard Street, or when the rest of society is distracted by...
Oh, he's such a gossip. Guys, for some reason... Is it not too easy to be Genevieve? Damn. Ouch.
I thought about coming with you tonight. My imagination was the furthest I could allow myself to go.
Sienna, what are you doing?
I am looking out for myself. I know that there is no one else who ever will.
God.
I tried.
Are lost. And I cannot allow you to set me adrift as well.
Oh, this is fucking... I could cry. I'm literally tearing up.
You need to let me go.
Guys, I think I'm gonna cry.
Unlike you, he does not wish for me to don some ridiculous gown and go with him to some absurd ball.
Oh, damn. Oh my God.
You need to let me go.
It's over, my guy. Jonathan, babe, I'm so sorry. Anthony.
I'm sorry, Sienna. I'm so sorry.
Oh, don't fucking cry.
We really must get back to the party.
Not a moment.
They're gonna the Queen's gonna think it's her. She's waiting at the newspaper thing. Yeah.
Go, this is a trap! She might catch up with her.
Oh my God, I'm stressed.
I presume your plans to separate from Her Grace have not yet changed?
They have not. Neither, it appears, is your ability to somehow hear every piece of gossip that transpires.
Pride, Your Grace. It will cost you everything and leave you with nothing.
Period. Let him know, girl. I love her. Why am I feeling so emotional? Oh.
The very last time I danced was with him. Your father and I faced many difficulties indeed, but we overcame them. We made a decision.
Give her your wisdom.
The two of us made the choice to love and to do all that we could. Tell you how much peace and comfort that brings to me.
Oh. Yeah. What a beautiful couple though, for real. Oh. They're gonna stay out dancing. Oh my. These shots are cool. I like. Get the painting!
I found the letters you wrote to him as a child, and I read them. Just because something is not perfect does not make it any less worthy of love.
Yeah. Oh, fuck.
He made you believe that you needed to be without fault in order to be loved, but he was wrong. I love all of you. Even the parts that you believe are too dark and too shameful.
Yes!
You may think you are too damaged and too broken to ever allow yourself to be happy, but you can choose differently, Simon. It can only be up to you.
What if he was like, no? Please!
What is the matter? It is your husband, Mom.
What's going on?
You're saying he is dead.
What?
The Bow Street runners have questions.
Oh my god. Have they actually killed him? And they've took all the winnings and stuff back then?
But what I do not know is how to be the man you need me to be.
If you do this, if we do this, then
nothing else will matter.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Ah, I hope this is it now. Oh my god. Okay, so I feel like he's just gonna not pull out, for lack of better terms, this time. I feel like he is just gonna leave it up to chance, you know? Okay, this cannot go on YouTube. If you want to check out the full reaction, guys, and see what I'm seeing, then, you know.
If there is to ever be a grander finish to a season than the one provided by the Duke and Duchess of Hastings.
Yeah. Oh, Pen!
I am here, Pen, to help you.
She's not only lost a dad now, she's lost Colin.
I'm sure with Whistledown still on the loose, next season will be far more interesting.
I don't know, man. Guys, I can't decide. We've not had full proof that it is her that's Lady Whistledown, so It still could be Penn, it still could be the butler guy.
How did you endure 22 years of marriage without love?
You find things to love, my dear. You're strong, Miss Thompson.
That's nice.
Perhaps even more so than me.
This is a nice moment between them. Is she marrying the brother then? It seems so.
Relocated him up. The man who will inherit the Feathermitton estate. Only.
What? What now?
Get to bring me a gift. It's not a gift if you have to ask. I would fancy anything blue.
Oh my god. Bye, Colin. Love you, babe.
Count is ready to find and declare his intentions. Did you hear that, Your Grace?
He's moving on.
Removing it from more romantic relations shall make me all the better for it. No more distractions from responsibility or being waylaid from the sensible part.
Oh. Is he just basically said that, like, he doesn't want to fall in love with someone? He just wants to marry someone to just marry them?
Going to say goodbye to her?
I did last night, if you must know. We went to a party together. Very good party.
You were with Madame Delacroix last night?
So it's not her. Yeah, it's not her. He was in the carriage.
And yet, there is no ending in sight for this author.
Who is it?
That decision shall be left entirely up to me.
Yes! Wait, what? Oh! We have got a baby. Just calm down, guys. Give me a minute. Hey, baby who? Baby what? Boy, girl? What are we saying?
Congratulations, Your Graces. A boy.
Oh. What are we calling him?
I believe it must begin with the letter A. We do have family traditions, do we not?
Oh. Okay. Yeah. What is this B? Did I say pen? I think I did. Oh my god, that was so good. That was such a cool reveal. Guys, I think I'm obsessed with the show. That was great. I really enjoyed that season. I'm so excited to watch season 2 already. My god, that was fun. That was so fun. Obviously, it's quite a hard watch, actually. Like, there's a lot of serious topics that they talk about in the show. And obviously, like, I'm just glad that Simon... We'll start off with him. I'm glad that he seems to have, you know, found, you know, happiness, and he's a dad now. And, you know, they've come a long way in a whole, like, that season. I'm assuming it's been spanned over quite a long time, like over a year or so. But they have, like, really come a long way, him and Daphne, so I'm proud of them. I'm glad that Simon has now, you know, focused on himself and not his grudges towards his dad. He seemed to have taken that out of his mind in a way, and, you know, basically put his love for Daphne and stuff in front of all that. which I think was the best thing, honestly. You shouldn't let someone like that, you know, hold you back, and stop you from having things you actually want in life. And I feel like that was something that Simon's dad was doing, and he just wasn't a nice man. And you know, it's really sad, like even when his wife like had just given birth, like Simon's mum had just given birth, he was just not interested. He didn't even go to her, didn't like care to see how she was or anything like that. And I just think that's just so awful. Like, you've got to be just a different kind of nasty to just act that way and just be bothered about, you know, what gender your child is, and not care about if they're healthy and happy, and whether the you know, the person who birthed that child is okay and healthy either. Like, it's just, he was just nasty. Favourite characters, I think, like, I think I've grown, like, not that I disliked Eloise, by the way, but I think at some points I was like, she's interesting, but I do really like Eloise. Like, I think she's a great character, and like, I mean, Pen is number one. Like, Pen is so cool. I find it interesting though, like, she was writing badly in a way about her own family, but they always take the mick out of her. Like, they're always doing stuff to upset her and things. So, is it that surprising? You know? I don't know. Hopefully Colin returns and we get to see more of him and Penelope. I assume, I don't know who next season's going to be about, but I'm going to have a guess. It could be about Anthony. I'm not really too sure because, as I said, I've tried to stay away from as much as possible when it comes to the show, which has been very difficult, especially over the last few months because season 3 dropped not too long ago. So obviously when that dropped, it was literally everywhere, like, more than it obviously was. Like, it was, what am I trying to say? Obviously it's a popular show, so it was hard to avoid anyway. But then obviously when season 3 dropped, it made it even more hard to avoid because it's just everywhere, like interviews, you know, like sneak peeks and just everything that like Netflix does to like promote their stuff. Obviously, it's just everywhere. So it was hard to avoid, obviously, conversation with friends and things like that, and obviously other people just online who have seen it and want to talk about it and stuff, and I'm just having to like avoid literally everything to do with it because I'm trying not to know anything. I've really enjoyed reacting to this season and this show so far, and I can't wait to continue with it. We lost Lord Featherington, it seems, and there's just been like just a lot has been going on. I honestly don't even know where to start. Oh my god, Violet said as well that Eloise didn't have to be in next season, right, if she didn't want to. I think she's very anxious to, and I honestly just don't think she wants to be a bride, like, you know, a wife or anything, which is fair enough, but obviously I think it was a lot more difficult back then. And yeah, this season, guys, it's actually befuddled me. Like, I feel like I can't even, every time I go to speak on something, my brain just can't like come up with the words that I want to say. But I wonder who we're gonna meet for Anthony. Maybe it's the girl that I thought was in this season, because I know, I'm pretty sure that one of the girls at a sex education is in Bridgerton, so maybe she becomes Anthony's love interest. I can't remember her name still. Apologies for that. I don't even know if, like, you know, Daphne and Simon are even going to be in the next season, or if they're just going to be off doing their own thing, be spoken about like off camera, sort like on camera, and that's it, and they'll be off camera sort of thing. Like they'll say, oh, like Daphne and Simon, you know, they're dealing with life now with a newborn, that kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Like they'll refer to them, but they won't be in the show. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, this was a lot, and I'm surprised I didn't actually like sob tears, I don't think, at all in season 1, but it was a great season. Definitely got me excited for season 2. Sorry that this outro and summary has been a bit of a mess, to be honest. My brain just keeps forgetting what I'm going to say about certain people and certain things, so there's definitely things I've forgotten to speak about right now. But overall, I pretty much like all the characters. Like I said, I think Lady Danbury, I mean, I do love Simon and Daphne, of course. I think Violet overall is just a fantastic mum. And Penelope, Colin, Anthony's growing on me a bit now. Unsure about Benedict and what's going on. Like, I feel like after that talk with the artist guy, I hope he's like somewhat starting to understand his situation and how hard it is to, you know, live as someone who is in the closet. So I hope he doesn't out him or anything. I actually pray he doesn't. But yeah, again, love the season. I thought it was great. Can't wait to watch season 2. Again, I'm sure I've missed a lot of stuff that I could speak about, but I just can't think right now. It's quite overwhelming, like the show in general. But I thought it was beautiful. I love the set design. I love the costume design. I thought all the actors were brilliant. I think just everything, the writing was incredible. And yeah, I can't wait to watch season 2, guys. If you did enjoy my reaction to Bridgerton season 1, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below anything you want to see me react to. Don't forget you can head over to my Patreon, check out all my full unedited reactions over there. Everything goes up over there before you see them here on YouTube as well. So if you want to, make sure to check them out. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, whatever that may be. Bye!